Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord guild tag in 2025. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do, first of all, go to Discord, and if you don't have a server yet of your own, then you can create one by add a server and then create my own, and so you need to be the owner of your own server. Then from there you're going to join the server, and then from here you're going to go to the server settings. Once you do that, you're going to click on the guild settings on the left section, and then from here it will ask you to select a separate game. Now from here you're going to select the playstyle of that game, so either very casual or competitive, and then from here you're going to select the traits of the guild and the server itself. Finally, you're going to write a description for anyone that joins the server new, and now here you have the guild badge, and this is going to be your tag. And so you're going to focus on that and customize it however much you would like. And finally, of course, you can set an application and put as many questions as you would like for anyone to join and get that tag. Now, of course, because this guild settings is still very experimental, some people might not have the option. What you can do is join this server. I'm going to leave it in the first link in the description, and so you can join it. And then from here, all you have to do is click on the tags and guilds. And as you can see, this is called the Guild Archive, and it has many servers with certain guild tags. And if you want to get any of them, then you can simply click on one of them and then simply click on join. Now, once you have joined it, you're going to go to the server. And then from here, you're going to go to user settings, and then edit user profile, scroll down until you see the server tag, and then you're going to choose that tag that you joined for the server with. And that's pretty much it. Now you have the guild tag. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.